Recovering from foot surgery doesn't have to mean losing your mobility. In this guide, we feature the best knee scooter for foot surgery, built for stability, comfort, and ease of use. Discover top options that support faster, stress-free recovery. Number 1. BlessReach Terrain Foot Surgery Knee Scooter. The BlessReach Terrain Foot Surgery Knee Scooter is an excellent choice for adults recovering from foot surgery or injury. Designed as a safe and comfortable alternative to traditional crutches, it helps users regain mobility without the discomfort of armpit strain or instability. Supporting up to 300 pounds and with a maximum height of 36 inches, this knee scooter is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether recovering from foot, ankle, or calf surgery, or even a below-knee amputation, the BlessReach knee scooter allows for smooth, safe, and efficient movement during the recovery process. One of the key advantages of this model is its all-terrain functionality. Featuring two 11-inch front tires and two 9-inch rear tires, it can effortlessly navigate grass, gravel, dirt paths, and even uneven sidewalks. The steerable front wheels allow for precise control, making it easy to maneuver around obstacles indoors and outdoors, giving users confidence and independence in their mobility. Comfort and durability are also central to its design. The contoured and padded knee brace supports the leg, reducing pressure and eliminating the need for excessive upper body strength that traditional crutches require. The sturdy frame ensures stability and long-lasting use, making it a reliable companion throughout the recovery period. Additionally, this knee scooter is highly convenient. It features a foldable wheel bracket and lever for easy storage and transport, perfect for users who need portability. A removable canvas bag provides practical storage for personal items, medications, or small essentials, adding extra functionality to everyday use. Number 2. BlessReach Compact Foot Surgery Knee Scooter. The BlessReach Compact Foot Surgery Knee Scooter is an outstanding option for adults recovering from foot, ankle, or lower leg surgery. It also serves as an excellent mobility aid for below-knee amputees, providing a safe and stable alternative to traditional crutches. Designed for comfort and ease of use, this knee scooter supports users throughout the recovery process, helping them regain independence without putting strain on the upper body strength. With its lightweight metal frame weighing only 22 pounds, it is highly portable while remaining durable and reliable for everyday use. Safety and stability are central to the design of this knee walker. It features a scientific double-tube structure, which enhances strength and provides superior support for the user. The ergonomic adjustable locking handbrake ensures better control and added safety during movement. Equipped with comfortable 8-inch wheels, the scooter can easily maneuver across smooth indoor surfaces as well as small outdoor obstacles, offering a stable and secure ride for users of varying mobility levels. Convenience is another major advantage of the BlessReach Compact Knee Scooter. The detachable main frame and foldable steering lever make storage and transportation effortless, allowing the scooter to fit easily in a car or compact space at home. Additionally, it comes with a removable canvas bag featuring a double-layer structure, which is portable, durable, and visually appealing.
Number 3. BlessReach Alternative Foot Surgery Knee Scooter. The BlessReach Alternative Foot Surgery Knee Scooter is a premium option for adults recovering from foot, ankle, or lower leg surgery, offering a safe and comfortable alternative to crutches. Designed to enhance mobility and independence, this knee scooter is ideal for navigating both indoor and outdoor environments while reducing the strain on the upper body. With a durable alloy steel and metal frame weighing 25.6 pounds and supporting up to 300 pounds, it combines strength, stability, and reliability for a smooth recovery experience. One of the most impressive features of this knee scooter is its all-terrain capability. Equipped with two 11-inch front wheels and two 9-inch rear wheels, it can effortlessly handle grass, gravel, dirt, and small gaps on sidewalks without the need for inflating tires. The explosion-proof wheels provide a softer and more stable ride compared to standard PU wheels, making it a reliable choice for navigating challenging surfaces with ease. Safety and superior control are also central to the BlessReach design. This model is the first in history to feature disc brakes on a knee walker, paired with a locking handbrake to ensure excellent control while moving. For optimal safety, a walking speed of less than 3 miles per hour is recommended. The heavy-duty steel frame is complemented by high-quality metal shock absorbers, providing both durability and a comfortable ride on uneven surfaces. Number 4. Vive Mobility Foot Surgery Knee Scooter. The Vive Mobility Foot Surgery Knee Scooter is an excellent alternative to traditional crutches, offering adults recovering from foot, ankle, or lower leg surgery a safe and comfortable solution to regain independence. Designed for post-surgery use, it allows users to move around safely without the fatigue and discomfort that crutches often cause. The walker includes a convenient storage bag that easily attaches to the frame, providing a secure space for personal items, medications, or small essentials while navigating daily activities. Stability and control are key features of this knee scooter. Its 12-inch pneumatic wheels provide industry-leading stability and ensure smooth maneuverability across a variety of surfaces, including carpet, gravel, grass, dirt, and pavement. The dual rear friction brake system enhances control on uneven surfaces and gentle inclines, giving users confidence and security as they move around both indoors and outdoors. This thoughtful design reduces the risk of tipping or losing balance during use. Comfort is a top priority with the Vive Mobility Knee Scooter. The contoured foam knee cushion cradles the lower leg and distributes pressure evenly, reducing fatigue and discomfort in the hip, knee, and leg. This ergonomic design allows users to maintain proper posture while moving, making long periods of mobility more manageable. Additionally, the scooter supports up to 350 pounds, accommodating a wide range of adult users.
Number 5. Aojin Foot Surgery Knee Scooter. The Aojin Foot Surgery Knee Scooter is a reliable and comfortable mobility solution for adults recovering from foot, ankle, or lower leg surgery. Constructed with a military-grade aircraft aluminum frame and carbon steel components, it supports up to 300 pounds while remaining lightweight at just 11.43 kilograms. This combination of strength and portability ensures that users can move safely and confidently during the recovery process. The built-in custom shock absorbers reduce vibration by 41%, offering a smoother ride and enhanced comfort for long periods of use. Stability and control are key features of the Aojin knee scooter. The precision 120-degree swivel front axle allows for exceptional maneuverability, while the one-touch parking handbrake ensures safety and secure stops when needed. The scooter's seat cushion, measuring 13 inches by 7 inches by 3 inches, is crafted from innovative PU material that provides optimal comfort and support for the user's leg. This thoughtful design helps minimize fatigue and discomfort during extended mobility sessions. Convenience is another important aspect of this knee scooter. It features a 6-level adjustable knee pad and handlebars, making it suitable for users ranging in height from 5 feet 6 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. The folding handlebars with a quick release mechanism allow for easy storage and transportation, making it simple to take the scooter in a car or store in small spaces.